Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. I'm sharing October's online class to go with you today. This is the project that we will be making, a really cute little home decor piece for the fall. In order to get the supplies for this particular online class, you will need to purchase $35 worth of product, Stampin' Up! Product before shipping and tax during October. And at the end of October, I will send you the kit to make this lovely home decor piece. It will include the little mini chalkboard, as well as the die cut pieces ready for you to put together. Now, if you need some help deciding what you'd like to purchase, then this is the die set that I'm using for this particular project. It's called the Paper Florist dies, and this one is $37. So you purchase this and you'll get the kit for free, or you could purchase the Alphabet a la Mode die set, which is this one, which I used to create the fall, and that one is $42. So you don't need to buy either of these items. Any purchase from my online store will qualify as long as it's at least $35 worth of product before shipping and tax. Well, I hope this is inspiring to you, and I look forward to being able to share it with you in October. Bye-bye for now.